Today we are going to make Djaj Mhamar. Djaj means chicken in Darija, and Mhamar, loosely translated, means golden or brown or crispy. I will give you the list of ingredients and take you through the steps of preparation. Place a liter of water in a stock pot large enough to fit the whole chicken. Chop 3 onions fine. Parsley. You will need 3 hard-boiled eggs, powdered ginger, and powdered turmeric. Also, 3 cloves of garlic pressed. Keep the innards of the chicken, and you will need 1 whole chicken. You will also add salt and pepper to your liking. In a small bowl, crush the 3 cloves of garlic. Add 1 small spoonful of turmeric, 1 small spoonful of ginger, and add some of the finely chopped parsley. Not too much. I didn't add it all. 1 small spoonful of pepper and 2 small spoonfuls of salt. I mix all of those ingredients and we rub the chicken inside and out with this mixture. Once that is done, we place the whole chicken, breast down, into the water that has already been brought to a boil. We set the heat to a normal medium heat and cover the chicken. We will then add the 3 chopped onions. We will also add to the water a little bit more salt, a little more pepper, a little more turmeric, a little more ginger, and some parsley. And we will also add 1 small spoon of ground cinnamon to the water. Cover, cook for about 30 minutes, and then turn it around and cook for about 30 minutes. Place the chicken on a baking pan, face down. Bake until that side is brown and golden, and then turn it around. While your chicken browns, you're going to add the chopped innards into the water where you cook the chicken. Lower the heat and let that water cook and reduce. You want it to get a little bit thick. cut the hard-boiled eggs for decoration, and we'll be using garlic stuffed green olives as well to decorate. Once the chicken is brown, I place it on a platter and add the sauce where we cooked it in. I then add the hard-boiled eggs and the olives to decorate the plate. In the air fryer, I have made some French fries to place on top of the Djaj Mhamar. I used very little olive oil. Once that final step is done, you are ready to present it to your family.